Once you sign up for DrDroid, there are two possible scenarios. You might be completely new to the platform, or you might be a new user in an existing account that is already set up by your teammate. I'll do a walkthrough for both the scenarios in this demo. For accounts that are already set up, you can look at any issue and view the investigation by clicking on View Investigation. This shows an analysis for the issue. You can also select any alert from the list and click on Investigate to start a new investigation. Alternately, you can ask the agent any query here. If you want to understand how DrDroid has the context about your company, you can also look at the knowledge graph to see what the agent understands about your company. If you're a new user, the first step is to add integrations. We recommend starting with alerts. Alerts can be added through Slack channels or webhooks. If you plan to use webhooks, go through the docs here. Next, you should add relevant integrations like Grafana, Jenkins, or others from the list. After adding integrations, the next step is to go to Manage Agent and train the agent by clicking here. After training, it's recommended to go to the Knowledge Graph V2 page and request a knowledge graph setup for your account. Please note, generating the knowledge graph can take up to 24 hours. So to do a recap, the expected flow is to add integrations, train the agent, and then request the knowledge graph. After these steps, the account should be set up. Your alerts will be visible in the UI. You will also see alerts across all the different channels, tools, services, and sources. Thank you. The platform has a Command K feature to help quickly navigate to any part of the platform.